Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can run. In this video, I will show you how you can run MiniMax M-2.5 locally. So this is a very good model and you can see the performance graph here. So this is trained with a lot of data set and this model is available in 1 bit, 2 bit, 3 bit, 4 bit, 5, 6, 8 bit and 60 and 16 bit. 16 bit is 457 GB, so it's very big and it requires a lot of GPU. So I am going to use the 1 bit TQ underscore 0 which is 55.8 GB and I will click here and then this is the URL to download the model. Click on download and it is downloading. It's around 51 GB. I already downloaded, so I am cancelling it and this is placed in my llama cpp slash onslaught folder and this is MiniMax M2.5 UD Qt 1.0 gguf file. So I have downloaded the llama.cpp for Windows and it is here. So I will go to this directory and then run the command llama cli.exe llama-cli.exe -m onslaught slash minimax m2.5 ud qt 1 underscore 0.gguf. So this is the gguf file that I am going to run with the llama CLI and I am giving the prompt what is the capital of France. So it is model will be loaded and then it will tell me the capital of France. So press enter and it is backed with CPU. So it is loading the model into the CPU and memory. So it will take some time. So it loaded the model and then llama CPP loaded the MiniMax M2.5 model and then it answered the question. What is the capital of France? It is saying Paris. What is 10 plus 6? User is asking a simple arithmetic question. 10 plus 6 equal to 16. Thinking done. 10 plus 6 equal to 16. In this video, I showed you how to run MiniMax model on Windows machine locally using the llama CPP. You can also run it on the Linux machines and Mac OS computer. So you just need llama CPP for your operating system and it should run. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.